Students, I welcome you in our English class. And students, in today's class, we'll discuss degrees of adjectives, which is also known as degrees of comparison. Now, what do I mean when I say comparison? Comparison is that whenever we are comparing, making comparison between two things or two people. Okay, so here three types of degrees which we are going to discuss one by one. That is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So let us discuss these degrees one by one. The first one is your positive degree. Now why I'm telling you these degrees? Do you know this? That what where to use these degrees in adjective if you are discussing these degrees of adjective. So where to use these? Actually, suppose one of my friend whose name is Rosie, and she bought a new dress which is quite expensive. So I said expensive, oh Rosie, sorry, I said Rosie, that Rosie, wow Rosie, you bought a very good dress that is very expensive. So I said in this way. But if I just in the same way, I met to my another friend Rima, and she has also bought a new dress which is more expensive than Rosie. Then how I make comparison? Rima bought an expensive dress which is Rima bought a dress which is more expensive than Rosie. So this is how we can make comparison. Now let us discuss what is positive degree. Positive degree, it means that which means no comparison. Okay, no comparison is made in positive degree. It's just a simple statement where we use adjectives to describe noun. Okay, it's just a simple adjective which we are going to use here. No comparison is being made here. So like this is a beautiful bag. If I say this is a beautiful bag, so just I like the bag, and I stated that this is a beautiful dress. In the same way, this example is written here, that this is a good guitar. So in a very simple way, you are describing a guitar which is good with the word good. So good is here adjective. No comparison is being made here, so it is positive degree. Now next is your comparative degree. Comparative degree, comparison is made between two things or two people. Here we need to know and we need to understand the comparison. The comparison is which is being made between two things or two people. Whenever we are comparing two things or two people, we use comparative degree there. Like my guitar is better than yours. Here somebody's guitar is being compared to someone. That's why we have used my guitar is better than yours. Here better is your comparative degree. Okay, better is your comparative degree. And don't forget, whenever you are making comparison between two things, don't forget to mention the word than. Okay, with this word only you can make it more clear that it is comparative degree. Next is your superlative degree. This degree is used where more than two things are compared. So in comparative degree, we are comparing, making comparison between two things only or two people only. But in superlative, we will make comparison not only between two things, we will make comparison more than two things, more than two people. Okay, like Rajiv's guitar is the best of all our guitars. Rajiv's guitar is the best of all our guitars. Means the person who is having many guitar, among those guitars, Rajiv guitars is the best. Is the best. So the best is your superlative degree. The best is your superlative degree. Now how to justify it? Like, see, good, better, and best. Good, better, and best. This is how we can transform these degrees. Okay, and we can use these words to make comparison. One more thing which we need to remind in superlative degree, especially superlative degree is preceded by the. You can say it is the thumb impression for superlative degree to recognize it more clearly that what is superlative degree. For example, rose is the most beautiful flower. Rose is the most beautiful flower. Beautiful is your adjective, and while adding this word the most means among all the roses, Among all the flowers, rose is the most beautiful flower. Okay, so the most is your superlative degree. We have added word the here to make it more clear that it's a superlative degree. The Ganga is the longest river, means among all the rivers, Ganga is the longest river. Okay, Ganga is the longest river. In the same way, India is the best country to live in. So, among all the countries, when we are making comparison here, among all countries, India is the best country to live in. So, student, this is degree of comparison or degrees of adjective we came to know in this video, and transformation of adjectives we will discuss in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.